So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add drop shadow to an image here on a Keynote presentation. So you open up Keynote, you have your photo. How do you add drop shadow? Simply just go ahead and press on the picture right here. Make sure that style is selected, then go down to where it says shadow. And where it says no shadow, just press on drop shadow. Now, as you can tell, you could sort of edit the blur, making it more blurry or less blurry. You can change the offset as well, more just kind of how the angle of the drop shadow is presented. You can also change the opacity. You can also change the angle of the shadow as well. You can also change the color of the shadow. So if you wanted this to be green, for instance, there you go. You've now added green drop shadow to your picture. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to add drop shadow to an image on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.